This video is a time-lapse of a single Tyrannosaur tooth from field to lab to completion. It was sponsored by the Adopt a Jacket program through the Friends of NDGS Paleo. Once a tooth was found, it was carefully dug around while still leaving the surrounding rock. This helped keep the pieces in place. It was then wrapped in tissue paper, a separator, and small plaster bandages. The tooth jacket was brought to storage until time for preparation. The letters and numbers on the jacket help us keep track of where everything is. In this case, CAB stands for Paleontologist Clint Boyd. The 23 denotes the year 2023, and the 3 means that it was the third site that year that Clint recorded. The .19 means that this was the 19th fossil to be collected in plaster from that particular site. Everything is all organized in a computer on spreadsheets for easy access. We use a small cast-cutting saw to open the plaster jacket, making sure to cut through the bottom side to keep the top side where the fossil is safe. So we actually start preparing fossils from the bottom side up. We use many tools to prepare fossils, like our air scribes. These work like mini handheld jackhammers. Brushes and dental picks are also a must. Can you see the tooth yet? How about now? There it is, our first glimpse of the bottom of our Tyrannosaur tooth. Trimming the edges of the plaster down make getting into the corners easier. This tool is called a microblaster. It's like a sandblaster that shoots baking soda instead of sand, and it cleans up all the gunk, dirt, and glue that's hard to reach with other tools. When cleaning the rest of the tooth, you can see it's filled with cracks. Some of those cracks had glue added to it in the field, but others are just still caked with dirt. The dirt needs to be removed, or there will be a weak spot in the finished tooth. This piece is small enough, it's easy to carefully remove pieces, clean them, and then glue them back together again. See all that dirt in there? It's gotta go. A quick trip to the microblaster again, and they're ready. The glue I'm using is called Butvar. It's a plastic dissolved in acetone. This is important because it makes the glue reversible. If something is stuck where it shouldn't go, we can remove the glue and try again. And there you have it, a beautiful Tyrannosaur tooth. It has 2 rows of serrations, like a tiny butter knife. You can see the little saw-toothed edge reflections under the light.